In the last videos you learned about font and paragraph formatting in Word. With these formatting options you can change the design of specific text snippets, but this process can be very time-consuming for longer documents. To better understand that, we will look at this document. As you can see, we have a couple of headings in this document and a couple of content paragraphs. Now imagine that you want to change only the font size of the content paragraphs. Since we have headings between these paragraphs, we cannot simply select all the text at once and change the font size, because this would also change the size of our headings. In this case, we would have to highlight each paragraph separately and then change the size for the paragraph. I think you can see now that this process is very time-consuming for longer documents and that it is also a source of errors. The Microsoft developers of course also knew this and they implemented a solution for that. The solution is a range of so-called styles. Each paragraph in Word is inevitably connected to one style, and a style is basically a set of formatting options that will be applied to the connected paragraph. This means that we can apply a style to multiple paragraphs and then simply change the formatting for all of the connected paragraphs by changing the settings of the style. For this introduction, I am only going to show you how to set the correct style for a paragraph. I have an example document here, and this document contains 3 headings. To connect the headings with the correct style, we need to click into each heading paragraph, and then we only need to select the style, which is called heading 1. If we have a subheading in our document, we would simply select a heading style which represents the level of the subheading. So a level 2 heading would of course get the style called heading 2. Don't worry if you don't like the formatting of these heading styles. We will change them in the following videos. Now we would also need to set a style for the normal content paragraphs. But Word is automatically setting the default style called normal whenever a new paragraph is created, so we don't have to manually set styles for our content. And this is how you should format a longer document. You should look at your document as a set of building blocks which are always being reused. So the next time you create a longer document, set the correct style for each heading and other parts of the document whenever you create this part of the document. Note that you can use styles not only for whole paragraphs but also for single words that you want to emphasize. Use the font and the paragraph options only for short documents that don't need a lot of formatting, or if you want to create a new style design and want to review it before you save it in a style.